ano namin, flat namin. Magpupwesto tayo ng isang ganyan.
Oo, sa baba, mang inasal. Mixed with lechon.
This summer, who have believed you come along.
Mag-practice ka muna ngayong araw na to.
Sanay na yan. sanay na.
Baka nakakalimutan eh.
Sa Pinas pa lang eh.
So don't touch me, Reaching out,
Mike!
touching,
Ang ginawa mo.
touching you.
Final chord lang.
Ayun, concert ah. Sweet Caroline! Oh, oh, oh!
Times never seem so.
Oh, so good! So good! So good!
I inclined
Oh, oh, oh!
to believe in never would, but now I look at the night and I don't
No microphone!
know.
Baba, put the microphone on.
Wala pa yung dalawang microphone para.
Nandun pa sa loob eh.
Magcha-charge pa.
Dalawa yun. Magkakagawa ng microphone bukas, dalawa yun.
Charge
Wireless
natin.
din yun.
Glance off my shoulders.
Yeah.
Don't worry, nagdala kami din ng mga battery. Marami tayong battery bukas. Extra? Rechargeable ay?
Reaching out.
Let's practice, Baba, for tomorrow, ha? There's a prize.
Kailangan dalawa pa.
There's a prize.
Kaya isasalpak na ito try natin dalawa.
Hey, let's see. Hey! Sweet Caroline. Oh, oh, oh.
Solid!
So good! So good! So good! Dapat ipakanta niya po.
Feeling glad.
Oh, oh, oh.
Sa buhay mo na.
Oh no, no.
Ikot natin.
Tara,
Patalik,
pahiga.
para tutulo siya.
Pamatumba.
Ilagay natin yung konti dito. Yan.
Sweet Caroline. Oh, oh, oh. So good! So good! So good! Whoa! Oh, oh.
Believe they never could. Once again.
Sweet Caroline. Oh, oh, oh. Feeling nagko-concert oh. Woo! Tony.
I'm feeling glad.